Hey, this is Sarah with Precision Camera in Austin, Texas. Today I have a brand new camera that I want to do an unboxing video of. This is the Canon XF705, the 4K all-in-one 10-bit 422 video camera. Let's check it out. It's a big box. I expected it to be a little bit smaller. I haven't actually seen the camera in person, so maybe the camera is huge as well. Warranty card, instruction manual. Previous models of the XF series were definitely not terribly big. I think this is just a lot of extra packaging. Camera strap. Shotgun microphone holder. I'm assuming this is the battery. Yeah, it's the battery. Battery charger. Something that's really cool about the XF series is the fact that it is pretty much a great series of cameras that's the perfect tool if you want just a one and done. For the price point, it's pretty awesome that this can do 10-bit 422 internal, especially seeing that this has also a 15 times optical zoom, a 30 times digital zoom. It has 5-axis image stabilization. It's really an awesome camera if you don't want to deal with interchangeable lenses or, any other components. You would just want one camera that does everything. So this is our eye cup, hood for the lens. Looks like we have our power supply AC adapter thingamabobber. Comes with a remote. Someday I'll get to the actual camera itself, I promise. Ooh. Oh, battery charger. That's a cute little battery charger, wow. All right, the camera. Ooh. All right, here it is. Okay, I get it now. I get why the box is so big. It's a pretty big camera. It's a pretty heavy camera. I don't even have a battery in it. Here it is. Just to repeat, we're looking at a 1-inch sensor in this camera. We found a 1-inch sensor in the XF 400 and 405 as well. Previous models before that had a much smaller sensor. This is a 15 times optical zoom. It's a 30 times digital zoom. This has BNC out as well as HDMI out. This does have its own microphone pickup. Of course, you're better off either running a shotgun microphone or a wireless lav pack. Let's see. Woo! I just figured out how to do that. Ready? It's a pretty cool little design. So, this right here is a 4-inch touchscreen. This does have a built-in mechanical ND filter. Here's our SDI out. We also have time code out. Here is an XLR input. There's a second input right here. You can run 2 audio channels into this camera at the same time. All the necessary ports are right here in the very back, easy to access. Right here we have our rocker. It feels like this rocker is definitely pressure oriented, so probably the more you press it down, the quicker it zooms in or out and vice versa. Record button is right here on the top. There it is, the XF705. They retail for $7,000. Now at the time of this video, this camera's only been out about 3 or 4 months, so I definitely would expect at some point in the future to see that price point change, especially as newer cameras come out. So again, if you're watching this, a year in the future, $7,000 might not be quite the accurate price point, but I would say that's a pretty competitive price point for a camera that has literally everything baked into it. So thanks so much.